Cuban Missile Crisis because of Vladimir Putin's unpredictable behavior after his invasion of Ukraine, where Russia is now suffering setbacks. Mr. Biden has also issued a blanket pardon for everybody convicted of federal charges of simple pot possession.
He's starting a conversation within the federal government of reclassifying marijuana. For decades, in contravention of public opinion in this country and the decisions of several states, marijuana has been classified as a Schedule I drug, which essentially says that there's no useful medical purpose. We know so many states say that there is a medical use for marijuana.
White House correspondent Stephen Portnoy. In about 5.5 hours, the government will update us on the nation's employment and unemployment picture.
The Labor Department will report the job situation for the month of September. It's expected that around 250,000 positions were created. That's a level that's still strong, but it is lower than the year-to-date monthly average of more than 400,000.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger. Overseas in Thailand, at least 36 people were killed in the deadliest rampage in the nation's history.
Authorities identified the attacker as an ex-police officer who was fired last year for alleged drug use. The country's prime minister has ordered a fast-track investigation into how this happened.
CBS News foreign correspondent Ian Lee. Asian financial markets are closing lower. U.S. market futures are pointing down as well. Dow futures down 106. This is CBS News.
Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
Is there a calculator that can't compute in your kitchen drawer? Recycle it at Staples. A shredder that won't shred under your bed? Or a collection of cables? Recycle them now at Staples. With Staples Free Tech Take Back, we'll recycle your old tech free. Plus, rewards members get $5 back in rewards. So if you have modems, mice, and mobile phones making a mess of your home, recycle them now at Staples. Limit 1 report per month. Redeemable in store only. Exclusion select. Staples.com/recycling for details.
When you're an innovative business, every blinking cursor, every blank page is an opportunity. What will you do with it? Will you make something better? Or create something new? Our Dell Technologies advisors provide you with tools and expertise to do incredible things. Because we believe there's an innovator in all of us. For advice on smart PCs powered by Intel Deep Pro that's built for business, call the Dell Technologies advisor at 877-ASK-DELL.
Back overseas in Asia, the nuclear-powered U.S. aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan has started a new round of naval drills with the South Korean Navy. The two-day training began Friday morning, came a day after North Korea fired 2 ballistic missiles toward the sea and flew 12 more planes near the border in an escalation of tensions. Entertainment news now.
Hey, baby, I hear the blues are calling.
Frasier star Kelsey Grammer will executive produce a reboot for Paramount Plus, division of our parent company here at CBS. The next chapter will reportedly feature Frasier Crane in a new city surrounded by all new characters. No word on who the actors will be, but it's not expected to include any original cast members, though they could make guest appearances. That would be similar to the original show, where Frasier moved from Cheers, set in Boston, to his hometown of Seattle. Deborah Rodriguez, CBS News.
And I'm Tom Foti, CBS News.
It's 12:05 at the Bay Area's news station, KCBS, with a heavy marine layer from the coast to the bay, through the bay this morning. It'll be sunny skies, a little bit warmer inland today. Good morning, I'm Elisa Clancy, and here's what's happening at this hour. Authorities say the suspect in the kidnapping and killing of a Merced family was a former employee who had a long-standing dispute with them. Relatives of the slain family told investigators that Jesus Salgado had sent angry text messages or emails about a year ago after working with their trucking business. Authorities say Salgado kidnapped an 8-month-old baby, her parents, and uncle on Monday, killing them, leaving their bodies in an almond orchard shortly after. Their remains were discovered by late Wednesday. Investigators say they're seeking a person of interest who may have acted as Salgado's accomplice. The investigation into this horrible kidnapping and killing of a family of 4 in Merced County continues. As KCBS's Matt Bigler reports, residents from Merced are shocked and angered by this senseless crime.
Merced residents are struggling to come to terms with what happened to this family of 4 kidnapped at gunpoint this week for their trucking business. Their bodies were later found in an orchard. 48-year-old Jesus Salgado has been arrested for the crime.
To have not one care in the world to take a life, and let alone four, and then including a child. That's very, very disturbing.
Patricia Lone Tree is a social worker here. How do you think this will affect this community?
I think it's going to make a lot of people think twice.
Merced resident Shauna Mattis says she's thinking about rising crime rates in this agricultural community.
Things are getting closer to home. You know, all the serial killer that's going on in Stockton's got us all scared, you know. We wonder if it's him or if it's them or if it's somebody who did something wrong and their family had to pay for it.
The suspect does have a previous criminal record for false imprisonment and home invasion robbery. In Merced, Matt Bigler, KCBS.
In Oakland, some teacher and employee advocates with the Parker School Liberation Group are claiming retaliation by the district for 4 recent firings. KCBS's Alice Wirtz reports.
In front of La Escuelita Elementary School on 2nd Avenue, about 24 people wearing T-shirts and holding signs showed unity with the recently fired teacher. June Nelson was fired from the district, claiming retaliation for her role in the Parker Elementary School liberation at the end of last year.
That violates an agreement that the district made with 2 other organizers that they wouldn't retaliate against any OUSD employees involved in the fight against school closure. I'm the 3rd teacher who's been fired, and the 4th has been retaliated against for standing up to the district's racist school closure.
I spoke with school district spokesperson John Sasaki, who said the district can't comment on personnel matters. Shane Michael claims the 4 firings are retaliatory.
Some of the activists that participated and that were also employees of the district.
Nelson encouraged attendees to vote in this November's election.
So make sure to vote or get involved so we can flip the board and hopefully reverse these school closures.
In Oakland, Alice Wirtz, KCBS.
Just ahead on KCBS.
I'm Kathy Novak. Amid rising gas prices, California signs a new climate change agreement designed to help more people go electric.
Traffic and weather together on the 8th. It's 12:08, and we say good morning and welcome back, Frank Munich.
Well, thank you very much. We are looking at some thick fog at the Golden Gate Bridge tolls, and this is the time of the morning, midnight, when we see weather advisories either canceled or renewed, and we have had that fog advisory for the Golden Gate Bridge renewed. We also have a fog advisory in Daly City for the intersection of Highway 1 and Highway 35, Skyline Boulevard, really right by the bluffs of the beach there. We're looking at very thick fog and drizzle along the coast as well, so do be aware of that if you're on city streets in the Sunset District or Richmond District of San Francisco or along the coast. We have a problem being reported in San Jose, northbound 101, just past Tully Road. That's an accident, an injury crash with not a whole lot of details attached to it. Westbound 80, just before Appian Way in Pinole, we have an accident that is just now being cleared to the right-hand shoulder. A big rig and a sedan mixed it up there. And eastbound 80, just before Pinole Valley Road, we still have the 2 left lanes blocked by a crash there. Your next update at 12:18 on the traffic leader KCBS.
Yep, Frank called it. Heavy coastal bay fog this morning, partly cloudy inland. Lows, it's cool. It'll be cool. Upper 40s and 50s this morning. Sunny skies today after the morning overcast with only limited clearing at the coast. It's supposed to be clear, mostly clear for the air show today for Fleet Week. 60s at the coast, 70s and low 80s around the bay, to the upper 80s and some low 90s inland today. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
What's up, everybody? Guess who's hosting a new podcast? No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith. Listen as I pull back the curtain on everything beyond the world of sports. Interviewing influential guests, outspoken celebrities, and thought leaders across the political, financial, and social spectrum. You know me. I'll give you my unbiased opinion. A No Mercy episode drops every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith, a presentation of Cadence 13 and Odyssey Studio. Available on the Odyssey app or wherever you listen to your podcast.
Individual rates, coverage offerings, and savings may vary. Subject to terms and conditions. Not available in all areas. Actual by customer.
As a small business, we're always looking for ways that we can offer the quality product and get some cost savings.
Meet Michelle from J.J. Pfister Distilling Company, a small business in California. When looking for workers' comp coverage tailored to the company's needs, she discovered